How can I remove strings from sentences if string matches with strings in list? I have a pandas series with sentences like this. On the other hand, I have a list of names and surnames like this. L equals Juan, Antonio, Esther, Josefa, Mariano, Cristina, Carlos. I want to match sentences from the series to the names in the list. The real data is much bigger than this examples, so I thought that element-wise comparison between the series and the list was not going to be efficient, so I created a big string containing all the strings in the name list like this. Vertical bar.join L. I tried to create a Boolean mask that later allows me to index the sentences that contains the names in the name list by true or false value like this. But it returns which is clearly not okay. I also tried using str.contains, but it doesn't behave as I expect, because this method will look if any substring in the series is present in the name list, and this is not what I need, i.e. I need an exact match. Could you please point me in the right direction here? Thank you very much in advance.
If need exact match, you can use word boundaries. For remove values by listers, use generator comprehension with filtering only non-matched values by splitted text.
If you want a little more flexibility for processing, you can have your custom exact_match function as below. Output.
For exact match, try. Otherwise, simply use regular expression to replace substring with. Call the substring using list comprehension.
One option is set intersection.